Alright, so this account अगर आप देखोगे ये account it's a very small account right now, but these are the fantastic results that we have got for this account. And this brand was really good because generally हम जो brands लेते हैं we do not take it less than 8 to 10 lakhs per month, but you know they were okay to pay that kind of service fee for us to help them, and they were just selling two products on Amazon, one or two products on Amazon. It's a part of variation, and सबसे बड़ा problem ये इनका हो रहा था, इनकी sales improve नहीं हो पा रही थी और इनका tacos बहुत ज़्यादा high था. It's a very competitive niche. So when they came to us in the month of July, वो already 1,93,000 rupees की sales कर रहे थे और उनका जो ACOS था in the month of July, it was approximately 57%, right? Almost 58% का इनका ACOS था. इनकी sales थी almost 1,93,000 and they were selling spending almost 70,000 rupees in advertising. So अगर आप यहाँ पर देखोगे हमारी sheet में यहाँ पे लिखा हुआ है 193 and this much they were spending, तो इनका total ad spend जो था वो 36% था. ACOS था almost 57% when they decided to work with us. So they joined us in the month of August. 1st August से हमने इनका काम start किया था, and literally you can see like we did a lot of work for them. And just to fast forward and then show you कि क्या हुआ था, August के month में we almost touched them to 4,34,000. All right, 4,34,000 without adding any single new product, without increasing their ACOS, like literally like 4,34,000 in just 1 month. And if you see over here the August month, which is going to be the ACOS one, okay, so August month में आप देखोगे तो ACOS is 48% from 57. So you can literally see ACOS almost था 57, almost हम 48% पे आ गए ACOS के अंदर. This is a wrong number, 48% पे. So almost अगर आप ACOS देखोगे तो we have decreased the ACOS by 9 to 10%, like, which is a huge thing. And the best thing over here is the sales growth. We were able to double, like not even double, more than that, we just doubled their sales in just 30 days. So 124% of growth we were able to give them in just 1 year. And now the account wants to focus on decreasing their spendings on Amazon. Now you can see in the month of September we are almost close to doing 4,15,000, but if you see the spend, it has gone down from 1 lakh to almost 81,000, which is going to be 19% tacos this month, and next month we'll bring it down to 15% while the sales will be consistent. And you can see the average sales, वो पहले 6,000 कर रहे थे, फिर 14,000 और अभी ये मंथ 13,000 करेंगे, बिकॉज हम इनकी स्पेंड्स बहुत कम कर रहे हैं, बट इनकी सेल्स में एटलीस्ट 5,000 का ही फर्क आ रहा है. दिस इज एग्जैक्टली हाउ वी स्केल दिस ब्रांड. वेरी कॉम्पिटिटिव नीश, बट दिस इज एग्जैक्टली हाउ वी डू. नाउ एड्स के अंदर हमने क्या किया इनके अंदर, अगर आप एड्स में देखोगे वी हैव आवर ओन नेमिंग स्ट्रक्चर. आप देख सकते हो ऑलमोस्ट हमने वी क्रिएटेड ऑलमोस्ट 33 कैंपेन्स एंड दिस अकाउंट्स, एंड आप देख सकते हो ऑलमोस्ट रिजल्ट्स. एक कैंपेन के अंदर ऑलमोस्ट 49,000 29,000 की सेल्स आ रही थी. हमने अभी तक इसमें सिर्फ स्पॉन्सर प्रोडक्ट्स ही यूज किए. वी डिडंट यूज एनी ऑफ द अदर एड टाइप्स. हमने कोई ब्रांड एड्स यूज नहीं की, कोई डिस्प्ले एड्स यूज नहीं की. वी यूज मैक्सिमम सेल्स जो आ रही थी सिर्फ स्पॉन्सर प्रोडक्ट्स से आ रही थी. सो दिस इज एग्जैक्टली हाउ वी डिड इट, एंड यू कैन सी लाइक मैक्सिमम जो सेल्स कन्वर्ट हो रही थी, दे वर डूइंग वेरी वेल. अगर आप हमारा ऑटो और मैनुअल देखोगे, सो ये से हम स्पॉन्सर प्रोडक्ट्स दिखाते हैं आपको. स्पॉन्सर प्रोडक्ट्स में से सो ऑलमोस्ट ऑल द कैंपेन्स जिसमें सेल आ रही थी, राइट. सो वी ट्राई एंड टेस्टेड अ लॉट ऑफ कैंपेन्स. कुछ कैंपेन्स हमारे चले, कुछ नहीं चले, सो वी पॉज्ड व्हाट डिड नॉट वर्क फॉर अस. बट यहाँ पे अगर आप देखोगे तो ऑर्डर्स ग्रेटर देन जीरो, these were all the campaigns that we had created. Almost 35 campaigns were running right now, and out of that if you see हमारी 35 campaign में से manual campaigns were approximately 30, मतलब out of entire thing 35 में से almost 30 campaigns manual थी. and इनकी जो campaigns पहले चल रही थी वो सिर्फ automatic campaigns या थोड़ा बहुत other ad types चल रही थी. but we really focused on keyword research, finding the best keywords, optimize the entire listing, and then we started running ads very systematically, very closely watching, and then that's exactly how we scaled. And you can see like so much of sales coming in a very competitive category. किसी लोग को लगता होगा विरल पर ACOS तो बहुत ऊपर है, but this category is very competitive. It takes a little bit time. As you can see, इनका ACOS धीरे धीरे down होते जा रहा है from that percentage. This while the sales are doubled, right? So धीरे धीरे करके it will come to a point where we are not spending so much and they are doing really good sales. So if you are an account owner looking at this and wondering why your sales are not improving, come book a call with us and then we will share with you exactly how we can help you, how we can grow your brand and take it to the next level. Alright, this is Viral Jain signing off and I'll see you in the next video.